Happy day 4, everyone, and thank you for joining me again for Live Well with Marissa at home. Today's workout is going to be focused on your bum, so we're going to be firing our glutes and really learning different ways to tone our back body and make sure that it stays healthy and strong. Running, cycling, squats, all other kind of stuff, it targets different areas in our body. So we really want to try to find that glute focus, which is where I kind of came up with these exercises. Let's go ahead and stretch the outside of the glutes first to get started, so specifically the hips, and we'll lay on our back to do that. So lay down for me, please. Hug your knees into your chest and rock on your low back from side to side. And then plant your feet, crossing your right ankle over, like so, and then hug your knees to your chest. Good. So give yourself a little rock as we stretch out the outside of our right bottom, which may or may not be sore. You might be feeling the add up of the first 3 days, plus whatever else you do. Again, no plus is necessary, but I know some of us like to do more. Release your foot and switch, so cross left, hug in, and then again, rock a little bit, side to side. Good. And you may feel like one side is much tighter than the other, and that's very normal. Hug both knees in tight. Exhale, come on up. Good. Let's start on our hands and knees, so shift forward. Good. We're going to press down into our palms. I want you to press as your knee comes in. Press. So you're really focused on squeezing at the very, very top. Squeeze. So once you get to the top, that right cheek should really start to fire. Let's do 8, 7, 6, push to the sky, 5, 4, 3, 2, come up and hold, pulse, 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 pulse. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold it up. Open it up. Good. Lift, 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 lift. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now turn your back foot out. Take that foot long. Reach your hand to your hip. So same right leg. Bring it up. Good. Circle. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Circle forward. 8, 7. Let it burn. Good. 4, 3, 2. Pulse it up and down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Switch legs. Bring your knee in and down. Side 2 when you're ready. Left foot up. Lift. Lift. So again, everything is focused with control. Good. 8, 7, 6. Make your butt so hard once it reaches the sky for me, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now push that leg up there. Push. 8, 7, 6. Find that fire. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it up. Open it up. Lift. 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 Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend it back. Release your foot down. Kickstand your other foot out. Reach up. Hand to hip. Good. Bring your leg up. Circle. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Circle forward. 8, 7. You got this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ready? Up and down. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew, nice job. Lay down on that stomach. You're going to lay your palms down, bend your knees. Now, the goal is to use the glutes to kick straight up to the sky. Ready? Let's go. Push, push, push. You should fuel that fire right there in both butt cheeks as you press up. You've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, press up to hold. Ready, set, go. Hold. 4, 3, 2, let it go. One more. Ready, set, lift. 4, 3, 2, let it go. Nice job. Lay on your side. You can prop your head, pull your knees in for clamshells. Now, a lot of this can be done with added resistance like a resistance band, but it's not necessary, so you can use just your body. Feet together, lift, lift. Now, we want to keep our hips rolled forward. We can do more reps without a resistance band, and that's okay. But as that knee comes up and down, I want you to feel kind of the side of the hips and into the glutes, okay? Good. Keep this up. More than 8, especially when you're doing this exercise, as it starts to build, the more you do it with more of a burn. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold and lower. Good. Hold and lower. One more time. Hold it there and lower. Good. Let's go to side 2. So lay on the outside of that hip. Again, a lot of this stuff might be like not enough without a resistance band, but what you can think about it as, roll forward, is that it's really that idea of just starting to tone and fire your hips. So if this is new for you, a lot of these movements, they're going to be really hard, and that's okay because they are challenging movements. But the more and more that you do them, the more your body will get used to their movement and you'll learn how to do them better. So remember that that's why we do things, is our body starts to remember how to do it, and then we can advance and build upon that. So your workouts can consistently change versus always stay the same. Good, that's why I'm pumping out new videos for you all the time versus just reminding you of all the good content that's on here. Last 8, 7, 6, burn, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Lay onto your back for me. Bend your knees and plant your feet. Nice. Raise your hips up. Good. Hold it there for 4, 3, 2. Your butt is off the ground. Second leg. Reach it up. Hold. 4, 3, 2. Switch legs. Press down through your foot. Hold. 4, 3. Shake, shake, shake. 2. Both feet down. Lift those hips. Hold. 4, 3, 2. Single leg. Reach it up. Lower. Lift. Lower. Lift. Good. 8. Up. 7. Up. 6. Up. 5. Press. 4. Press. 3. Press. 2. One more time, bring it up. Foot comes down, side 2, foot comes up. Lower and lift, lower and lift. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, come on, 2. Up and hold, both feet down, lift higher. Release. Good. Just your heels are down now. Your toes are up. Press. Press, press, squeeze your butt. Good. 8, 7, 6. We're going to go to a glute march. Feet are going to go flat in 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet go flat, hips up. March, 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 march. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Rock on up. We got one more exercise for the glutes. So you're going to slide it back. Now you can do this on your hands and knees or in plank, all right? So leg extend straight back. If you're in hands and knees, you'll stay here. Otherwise, join me here. All right, in 3, 2, 1, lift. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, lateral reach. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4 circles. Ready? 4, 3, 2, reverse. 4, 3, 2, side 2. Let's go. Lift, lift. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, reach away. Ready? 8, 7, keep that body flat. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, we have circles. Ready? 4, 3, 2, reverse. 4, 3, 2, high plank. 4, 3, 2, and rest. Knees down, big stretch back. Feeling the outside of those hips stretch. Take a full inhale and exhale. Way to go, guys. Nice job today. Congrats on completing day 4, firing up your butt. This could make you sore. It will definitely make you sore if you're new to these glute exercises. If you wanted to grab a resistance band for most of this stuff, you could, but you don't have to. All you need is the mat and the body. Thanks for moving with me, guys, and I look forward to day 5 tomorrow. See you later.